Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And if you're in Brazil, you'll be able to find this Nissin Lamen Hot Calabresa, Sabor Calabresa. So it looks like there's pictures of sausages on the packaging. One noodle block going in the boil for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be for a spicy noodle mukbang, so this is probably not gonna be the most exciting cooking time, but you know. So yeah, I'll put it all in. These usually end up getting kind of saucy with the sauce. Just the sachet. But I don't know. It wants 450 mils of water, and it should cook down, is my guess. I guess we'll see. Put that in at the end, and then you're good to go. I guess I need a bowl. This is, like I said, this is going to be quick. This is going to be probably the shortest recipe time. So, what bowl should I use? I don't know. Wow. It's a mellow day, so I'm wearing my pajamas. I don't know if you can tell. Go with this one. And no, I don't have Rotato out. It's a Wednesday. I don't usually... Lately I've been kind of like skipping out on Wednesdays just because Miles is home. I like to do stuff with him. That's why I'm doing a mukbang, because he's home. And a Umai crate came to the door today. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. But yeah, one of those showed up today, so I'm going to do that video with Mimi tomorrow. But this is Brazilian, so I'm sporting my Sepultura shirt that I just got. If you've never listened to Sepultura, they're heavy and kind of political. I really dig them. I like that band so much that was kind of the guiding force that, so my son Andy, his full name is Andreas, and he's named after one of the people in Sepultura. So, and actually, my dad wanted to name me he was a really big fan of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and Andy's name is Andreas Wolfgang Benjamin Walter. So, it's got the same. Wolfgang is my dad. Andreas is kind of like, sounds like Amadeus too. And Benjamin is my middle name, and Walter is after the harmonica player Big Walter Horton. So yeah. All 3 of my children have 3 middle names. Why? Because that's how it's done. You gotta do it up. Okay, so it's gonna be soupy. I wasn't sure, but there will be a soupiness to this one. Now, I don't do mukbangs very much anymore, just due to the fact that I'm on the whole diet and exercise thing. I did almost 10 miles this morning, and I've got a phone call, an interesting one at 2, and it's 1 o'clock now. That's why I'm kind of in a rush. I want to get this all hammered out. But at 2, oh yeah, wow, it smells like Polish sausage. big time. I don't know how spicy it's going to be, but I guess we'll find out. But not right now. This is going to be for a mukbang with Mr. Miles. I don't think it's going to be very spicy. But that's okay. This came by way of a fella named Mr. Saturn on Instagram. Thanks, bro. I really appreciate it. He was really kind. Sent me a ton of Brazilian varieties. Here's what we're looking at here. So yeah. All right. Let's go see if Miles is ready to do a mukbang. Hey, Miles. You want to do a special noodle thing with Papa? You want to do a noodle thing with Papa? Yeah? Are you looking at the time counter?
7, 8, 49, 50, 51, 2,
Say hi.
3,
It's an eyeball. It's looking at you.
5,
Hi, Miles. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.